Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV. We are here in Junction City. Today we are taking a look at a used Jayco 25 RKS. It is about 26 feet long overall. And some cool little things at the beginning is we're going to have a nice pass through that goes all the way through, and you can actually see the way it's built. You got a nice sturdy plywood there. On over here you are going to have a manual awning. And come on back, you got your plug-ins for your TVs, your outside stove tops. And then on the very far, you will have a ladder so you can access the very top of it. So if you do have any maintenance that you need to do, you can do it. You got your 30 amp plug-in right here. And then coming on to the other side, you get your cable hookups right on that side. Little antennas for your music, and then your outdoor shower. And you're gonna have your tanks right underneath, okay? And then you do have two 7-gallon propane tanks, and you will also have two 12-volt batteries. Now on to the inside. When we first get in, we got the back kitchen. You're gonna get your sink, and it's gonna be a double sink as well. You got a 3 stovetop burner, and you do have an oven and a microwave in this one. You got your standard fridges and your freezer. You got a nice little TV, and it does open up and you have storage behind it. You got a nice wraparound dinette that does drop down, make into a bed. And then right here on the other side, you do have a couch that also turns into a bed. Plenty of storage too, guys. Now into the main bedroom, you got your shower, you got your sink, you got your main bed, and then underneath, if you need some storage, you got a decent amount, and you also have a lot of storage up top as well. And for those that like a bathroom fully closed off, you have it. And you have a fan up top. So with that, if you have any questions, guys, give me a call at 541-954-4683. Thank you.